Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am finally getting back into the swing of things from having my break. As you all may know now, if you're existing subscribers, I am expecting baby number 2 and my first trimester was not fun. So I had a bit of a break and I'm finally getting back into the swing of uploading and making content for you guys. So if there's anything that you want to see, leave a comment down below. My first trimester update will be coming up next, but in this video we are doing a cleaning motivation video for you guys. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video, is just cleaning up the house and you guys get to come along. But this is an older video. I did film this a little while ago at the beginning of my first trimester, so it is a little bit older, but I did want to get it edited and up for you guys because I just felt like it's still good cleaning motivation. And in this video, I thought that the best place to start would be the disaster that was my little man's room. And I felt so good to get all those toys up and packed away. Now that his room is looking nice and spick and span, it was on to the lounge room, where there were even more toys. And my goodness, let me tell you, there is a video coming before Christmas where I am going to sort through and go through and declutter all of the toys before we get the new ones at Christmas. And finally, we are now on to the kitchen, which is the last room that I had to tackle in this video. And it was a little bit of a disaster, not gonna lie. that is everything that I filmed for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!